Today we explored the world of science using all our senses, like this.
Everything seems to be fine, all systems go. Now wait a second. We have an unidentified aircraft heading straight for us. Can you make contact? Negative, the aircraft is unresponsive. A mid-air collision seems imminent. Stand by for orders. Sir, what is it? We've got a problem.
Get me the research team from UQ's Queensland Brain Institute now. All right, we've got a pilot on track for a mid-air collision. This is your specialty. What have you found?
This is Kiaran, Lawson here. I've been studying the obstacle and collision avoidance behaviour of fruit flies by strapping them into a VR simulation, altering both physical and optical stimuli. I'll send you the files now.
Flies using virtual reality?
Yes, I've been studying the sensory information to study how they avoid collisions with objects. As the flies attempt to fly through the virtual forest we put it in, we found that the flies adjust both their thrust and the angle of the abdomen in order to fly through the forest with its ideal flight speed.
Intriguing. What else have you found?
Dasun Gunasinghe here. My research involves the theoretical or mathematical science behind collision avoidance. And as seen in insects, I'm working with drones to see how they can avoid collisions without any external controls.
And what does that mean exactly?
Well, without any control inputs and with only the drone sensing the other drone in the area, one drone will slow down while the other increases and passing by each other, maintaining a minimum separation distance. Then that aircraft will continue on, completely avoiding any collisions.
And how can you use this practically in the real world?
Our primary goal is to look at how bees and other insects avoid collisions without any external controls. And we want to take this and apply this to aircraft, such as unmanned drones.
Studying the sensory information of insects allows us to learn how they avoid collisions in midair, and hopefully that will allow us to stop any accidents happening in the industry moving forwards.
Team, this is top-notch work. Pilot, I think you know what you need to do.
I do, sir. Woo! Thanks, QBI research team. You really saved my bacon that time.
Good job, QBI research team. Keep up the good work.
Don't forget to like, share or subscribe, or to see the entire Sensory Science episode, click the link below.